Let me show you this. So last Thursday, I have sent a signal to buy the gold from 2933, and as you can see, this was my entry, and it was a sniper entry. It was very accurate with 0 drawdown. Then the gold rose to another exactly 210 pips of profit before finally goes back below our entry. Now, the interesting thing here is, in my Telegram, I actually have seen this happening, and therefore I have sent a notification here on my Telegram telling my followers to close it right now in 210 pips exactly. We highly recommend to close now to secure the profits. It's better to avoid any unexpected movement on this pair. So thankfully, those who have joined this channel, they were able to secure these profits. Not only that, but even later, look at that. I sent here an update telling my followers gold signal is better to be avoided. It has already been activated early this morning, and we don't want to buy at the second attempt of the support. And I told them, please consider closing it now in 100 pips of profit. And as you can see, it was a good advice. Thankfully, I hope the guys here in my channel have listened and avoided any losses happened with this signal. So again, that's the reason I'm telling you, my friends, it's very important to join this channel. Here is the channel, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So it was an excellent week, and I hope it's gonna continue going like this. However, what's now with the next signal of the gold? Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, my friends, it's my pleasure to show you the results of our VIP gold signals on Telegram. As you can see, these were our results. In Telegram, we also have a VIP group sending a scalping signal, and as you can see, Monday, Tuesday, and then Friday were actually 100% in profit. Sadly, Wednesday and Thursday were not the happiest days. But again, guys, these 2 days here doesn't, of course, reflect our usual performance. Our usual performance is thankfully like this, as we can see, almost 100% in profit. So again, if you guys want to join this group, just please contact our support. You can also find their links in the description below of this video. So let me just now show you what we can do next with the gold. So based on the weekly chart, and by the way, guys, this is our style here in Xtreme Trader, is to always look at the weekly and then daily charts to find the direction of the market. Once we confirm it, we will actually look for the smaller time frames, such as 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame, to find our entry. So first things first, let's now go to the weekly chart. So based on weekly chart, we can see that the previous week, actually, guys, we expected a bearish movement on the gold, but this candle actually has tricked not only me but a lot of traders, and we thought that it's now finally time to sell the gold. But the next candle proved the other way. Most likely the gold is going to continue the rise. Not only that, but if we look carefully right here, let me just now squeeze the chart like this. Now what we can see right here is an actual bullish breakout from the long-term resistance trend line that we have here. Exactly like this. This resistance trend line has actually been formed since December 22, and as you can see, since ever then, the gold has just finally here made the bullish breakout from that level of a resistance trend line. And that was another reason to believe that the previous week was going to be a bearish one. We thought the gold is going to reverse upon the pressure of the resistance trend line, but the gold instead just kept rising. So that means that the gold most likely now is going to continue the rise. But the question remains, how far is the gold going to continue the rise to? Now again, weekly chart confirms a continuation in the bullish momentum. Let's now move to the daily chart. Alright, so here is daily chart, and as you can see, guys, this candle here again has fooled me last week. I thought the gold is going to continue the fall, but again, it proved me wrong, and the gold just kept rising, and that's a good thing. So now, as you can see, the last 3 days candles actually were a weaker candle, and as you can see here, actually we had a lot of pressure from the bulls and bears on the last 3 daily candles. Not like the other previous candles. We have here a full bullish candle, a full bearish one. The last 3 candles here are weaker from both sides, which indicates, of course, a strong pressure from both sides. So the question remains is, where exactly we can continue buying the gold to have a safest entry? So daily chart also confirms a continuation in the rise, because we can see here that the gold actually so far doesn't have any price action, indicates a bearish reversal, nor of course a bullish one, but still the current price action before that actually here shows a continuation in the rise. So let's now move to the 4-hour time frame to find our decent entry. Now from what I can see right here, based on the 4-hour time frame, is another resistance trend line, as you can see here, or we can actually call it as a triangle. Check this out. So here, of course, we have a triangle channel, which of course has just been broken out from and been retested multiple times, and most likely we believe the gold is going to continue the rise to reach in the end 3,000. You cannot maybe see it from the logo. 3,000 is going to be our eventual target, but not right now, of course. It's going to take a while. So let me just now move to the 1 hour time frame to have a better analysis on this pair. So now from what I can see here is we need to separate right now the fake breakouts and just mark the high, or actually highlight the real level of a support and resistance trend lines. So check this out right here precisely. Exactly. Now here we have, of course, a real level of a support trend line, then one fake breakout from that area. And after this fake breakout happened, the market actually kept respecting the same level of a real support trend line, which indicates right now that we have here a channel. And let me just now do this like this, please, just to have a clear chart reading. Now let's continue the same by simply cloning the same line. And by the way, guys, to clone this one, you just need to press and hold the control button and just move the line, and like that you cloned it. Very simple. Now, as you can see right here, let me just make sure it's correct. Right here we have, of course, another real level of a resistance trend line. Then one fake breakout happened from this area, and then the market actually kept respecting the same level of a resistance trend line. With the strong bullish momentum and the strong upper trend, we are actually expecting from the gold to continue the rise till it reach the edge of the resistance trend line as well. So that means that our bracket of profit will be at around 2980. But however, we just have confirmed that the market so far running in an upper trend, and as long as the gold running in upper trend, we will continue buying the pair until it makes a strong bearish breakout from this trend line. I will not start selling. I will just keep buying until the market makes here a bearish breakout from that area. So let me just now go in more details of this. If we right now apply the Fibonacci retracement, we can see here another confirmation that the gold indeed is going to continue the rise. Let me just make it more accurate. It's actually like, yeah, like that actually. Now, as you can see, the gold indeed has made here a bullish breakout from Fibonacci 61.8, which also indicates a continuation in the rise. So Fibonacci, trend lines, price action all confirms that the gold is going to continue the rise. Now what we can do next, we will just simply now apply the Fibonacci on the last structure that we have right here in this pattern. Let's now just do it. Right here exactly, we can start the Fibonacci like this. Fantastic. Now, as you can see, the market right now so far is actually ranging at the highest level of a resistance at Fibonacci 23.6. Most likely we can buy the pair again once it bounces back to start retracing at Fibonacci 38.2. Hopefully it will also respect the same level of a real support. Not only that, but it will also be bouncing right here on the same level of a supported trend line. So again, our entry might actually be placed right here exactly, right there at Fibonacci 38.2 at 29. Let me just highlight it for you. Buy at 2925. 2925. Last time I actually by mistake entered the wrong number. Anyway, and in this case, of course, my friends, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the real level of a real support right here as well, and Fibonacci 61.8, which means our safe zone will be ranging for around 170 pips. Now for the take profit level, and that is the interesting part. Now again, here on the left side we absolutely have zero data. There is nothing to rely on. So how can we determine our next take profit level? The answer thankfully lies in the Fibonacci retracement. So what we will do right now is simply draw the Fibonacci from the higher high to this lower high, just like that. Check this out. Now here we have a new level has appeared, which is Fibonacci 161.8, and that's going to be at 2977. Most likely, guys, if the gold will reverse right here, it will actually continue the rise till it reach 161.8 and even more to reach the edge of the resistance trend line. So let me just now here write for you the take profit level, which is going to be at 2977, and right here, of course, we have the edge of the safe zone. And by that, my friends, we actually have here finished our analysis. Hopefully, guys, this is going to be a good signal, and hopefully we will make good profits with the gold. And of course, in the end, don't forget to join our VIP gold signals on Telegram to receive up to 5 scalping signals every day. And also, please don't forget to join our free channel on Telegram. This channel, my friends, is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything at all to join it. Just you can stay connected to Xtreme Trader to receive any updates or notifications about this signal. I might here send you an update to close this signal in a small small profit or a small loss, or to adjust the entry, adjust the safe zone. Anything can happen. So please, my friends, join here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I wish everyone a happy and profitable week, and in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.